In box 1, we are going to be answering the question, what happened as a result of a large asteroid hitting Earth millions of years ago? This question is answered at 32 seconds in the video. So here's what you're going to write in box 1. In box 1, next to your number 1, I want you to write parentheses 0:32 to remind yourself that if you go to 32 seconds in our video, that's where you're going to find the answer. Now let's set up our answer. Our answer needs to start with when an asteroid hit Earth millions of years ago, comma, and then you are going to answer this question. So when you write your answer, you're going to fill it in after the comma and put a period at the end. You're not doing it yet. We're just getting our notes set up. But once we're done with our whole note sheet and you go to watch the video again, you will finish this sentence. Pause the video now and write the 32 at the top, and then write the words that I have written in box 1 on your page, and you will finish this after we're done with our note page. Pause the audio. All right, you are telling me you are ready to move on to question 2. Your question 1 box looks just like this. Question 2 is, what is one of the most common causes of extinction? This can be found at 1 minute and 15 seconds in our video. So we're trying to find what is a very common reason why things have become extinct. So in your box 2, here's what you will write. Have your pencil ready. In box 2, next to the number 2, I want you to write parenthesis 1:15 parenthesis to remind yourself that you can find the answer at 1 minute and 15 seconds. Then you're going to start your answer. You're going to say, one of the most common causes of extinction is, and then you're going to leave some space for when you write your answer. Remember, you're not writing an answer right now because you'll re-watch the video and write your answer after. Just start the sentence now. Pause the video and make your box 2 look exactly like this. Okay, if you are still watching, that means that your box number 2 looks just like this, and you are ready to go on to box number 3. For box number 3, we are going to answer the question, what effect can a new, better adapted species have on the environment? Meaning, what could it do to the environment? This can be found at 1 minute and 45 seconds in our video. So in your box number 3, you need to write next to the number 3, 1:45 in parentheses to remind yourself that at 1 minute and 45 seconds, you can find the answer to this question. So in your box 3, you need to start the sentence by saying, or the sentences for your answer by saying, a new, better adapted species can throw off the food chain. I sort of started this answer for you. Then you need to finish the second sentence when you go back and rewatch the video later. The lesser adapted animal, and then you're going to leave the rest blank because after you're going to rewatch the video and you'll answer it then. Pause the video right now and make your box 3 look just like mine. Okay, your box should look just like this for box number 3. If it does not, pause the video and make it look like this. If it does look just like this, let's move on to number 4. This is your last one. Your last question is, list 4 ways humans have contributed to animal extinction, meaning they've helped cause it. This can be found at 2 minutes, 53 seconds in your video. In your box 4, next to the number 4, I want you to write 2:53 in parentheses to remind yourself that you can find the answer to this question at 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Underneath that, you need to say 4 ways humans have contributed to extinction, colon, and then you need to put 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't have room to skip lines, that's okay. Just write 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where you're going to list the 4 things that, or the 4 reasons or ways that humans have contributed to extinction. Remember, you can find that at 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Pause the video and make your box 4 look just like mine.